Today is March 15th and we have a really big announcement to make.
Over the last 35 days, we spent almost every day working on this van to get as much done on the build as humanly possible.
Because today we are adding a new project to our bucket.
And this is our new project.
Welcome to our new home.
We officially have a new home.
We've been keeping this secret since the end of January, but with a baby on the way, we knew we needed more space than our 2-bedroom, 1-bath in Ventnor.
We were super stoked when we found this house because it has a massive 2-car garage and a really big basement. That's kind of unheard of in this area.
But this house comes with its fair share of projects.
And although we just closed today, we are going straight to Home Depot to get started on the first one.
But first, it is time to unpack the van and the car.
Okay, van is unpacked. Taylor gave us our nice list of things to do. First one on that list is the shiplap the nursery. So let's get to Home Depot and get started on this house. The homeowners left the garage door opener, which if this works, I'm gonna be super stoked about because I haven't had one of these things since I've lived in my parents' house, probably when I was in 8th grade. So I actually didn't have one, my dad had one. But I just think these things are so convenient, so here we go. And nothing. Okay, they left us 2. One with the clip and one with the Velcro. The Velcro.
Wow!
Does work. That is awesome. Do we go the cheapest one or the $1 more expensive? What do you think?
$1 more. And we are officially back at our favorite spot in Lowe's, the shiplap section. We should probably buy like stock in shiplap because we just put it everywhere.
They got this one with the lines on it. Over there.
Oh, wherever. We'll bring it upstairs later, so. I was sweating. It's hot inside.
More IKEA stuff. A big thanks to my mom and dad here. They just came by and gave us lunch, but they also were our realtors. So if anyone's in South Jersey looking for real estate, hit up my mom and dad. They'll help you out. They helped us out with this one.
Yeah, so I wear multiple hats, but unfortunately I have no hats on today, so taking it easy.
Also, if you just bought a house or if you're in the process of buying a new home, then expect to get a ton of spam calls. Back in January when we applied for our mortgage, we were getting calls left and right and it was so frustrating, but we later learned that data brokerage companies got access to our personal information back when we applied, which is why we're getting so many calls, and it's also why I'm super excited to share the sponsor of today's video, Aura. Hey, this is Johnny from Sir Spamlot Insurance. I'm just calling to see if you'd be interested in additional insurance for your home. It's basically like extended warranty for your car, but for your home.
More insurance? Geez, this is the 5th call I got today. I'm sick and tired of it. Just sign me on up already and stop calling me, alright?
Perfect. I'll get you sent over to our associate and get you squared away. Alright, one down. Now, who's up on the list? It looks like we got... Ooh, Kevin and Taylor Mathers. Just bought a home, let's give them a call. Error? Do not call list requested opt-out by Aura? Aura? What's Aura?
Oh no, Johnny. They have Aura? Good luck. You're never gonna get them.
Okay, but what is it?
Apparently, Aura's gonna take us out of business. It identifies data brokers who collect personal information and submits opt-out requests for people like Taylor and Kevin, so we can't bother them.
Oh shoot, that data brokerage company that we got this list from was just talking about them.
Yep, it's not looking good. Aura even opts their customers out of junk mail and telemarketing lists. Look, right there.
Oof, man, that sounds pretty good. I might have to get it for myself.
I'm not gonna lie, Johnny, I already did.
You did?
Yeah, Aura even monitors your emails and your passwords to see if they're involved in a data breach or exposed on the dark web, and gives you recommendations on what to do.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna look this up. Oh wow. The app also features a VPN, password manager, real-time credit and identity theft monitoring, internet parental controls, and protects your devices from malware. It basically has every internet tool you'll ever need.
Yep, that's exactly why I got it.
In all seriousness, we've been using Aura for 2 months and feel way better knowing that our information and personal data is safe and protected. If you want to sign up yourself, you can use our link aura.com/mathers for a 2-week free trial to test it out and see how much of your information is out there exposed on the web. Again, you can use our link aura.com/mathers, and thank you so much, Aura, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back to the home renovations. First one going in.
Oh yeah. All right. Piece 1.
Looks good. Looks really good. It's expensive, but it's worth it.
The last piece.
I'll tell you what, having a house that's built in 2012 or whenever, like recent, life
Really
is
nice.
good.
Oh yeah. I love the paper graphic.
The only thing remaining, paint and the outlet.
Day 1 in the new house. Officially over, and
a wrap.
I would say that we did a superb job. Kevin did a superb job.
It's day 2 of home renovations. Still love that garage door opener.
Time to unpack. Our goal for today is the nursery closet and putting together all the baby furniture, because yesterday we successfully checked off number 1 on our to-do list. However, we do need to still go over a little bit of paint on it, but that hopefully shouldn't take very long.
That's how it's done. Well, this looks nice.
Ooh! Oh, I think it's nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah. And I think it's nice that it's not that wide, because then I can actually use the armrest.
1 down, 2 more to go. We're changing out the knob hardware, so that's why the drawers aren't in, but it's done. It took about 2 hours to complete it. IKEA products are nice and affordable, but they take a lot of time.
Right. We're pretty much done in here.
Shiplap looks good.
You believe it? It looks so good. Excuse my painting outfit, but the nursery is officially done. Not officially done, but all the hard work is done. The fun work is left over, which is like putting all the stuff in and decorating it and, you know, all the stuff I like personally myself. So, yeah, that's a wrap. 2 days it took us. And I would say it looks really good. So we said we wanted to get down the nursery closet today and put together the baby furniture. And we successfully did both. And it's only 6:13.
Oh yeah.
Great timing.
Oh shoot, that data brokerage company that we got this list from was just talking about them. You did?
You're so cute. Alright, last one.